So one thing that's also important to remember is you don't want to have just comfort while you're camping, but also while you're driving. So my boyfriend installed these 2 seats, which is from Scheel-Mann, and they have some heating included. So you can see these 2 buttons over here, and you can choose if you're just a little bit cold, you can heat it up a little bit, or if you're really cold, you can heat them a little bit more. So you're comfortable, you're warm on cold days, and yeah, comfort is also important while you're driving.